here today in Phoenix, Arizona, coating and cleaning one of Waffle House's store 265 Linux package units. The first thing today, we're going to go ahead and shut the disconnect off. We're going to start by cleaning the evap coil. This is the coil that gets hot or cools to put cold air or hot air into the restaurant. First thing you want to do is take the air filter access, put it over the return so we don't get any water through there. So first we're just going to spray the coil, make sure we get between the fins as deep as possible to make sure we get all the dirt and grime. You can see right here it's actually removing the dirt. You want to go up and down, not side to side. If you go side to side, it won't penetrate all the way through. Now we are going to do the condenser coil. We're going to do the same thing we did as the evap coil. We're just going to spray it, go up and down between the fins. We're going to go ahead and apply the Simix silicate-based ceramic to the evap coil. The reason why you want to do this is it's a conductor. So when you put it on the coils, it has a better heat transfer, which in return is cooling ability and efficiency. Just start at the top just as you would the cleaner. Same bases, have a nice steady stream, from top to bottom. We're now going to apply the ceramics to the outside of the cabinet. The reasoning why you want to do this is to bring the cabinet temperature down in the summertime. Now that everything is clean and coated, you want to go ahead and flip the disconnect back on.
Hi, my name is Richard. I work for Waffle House doing the facilities maintenance.
I'm Tony, and I'm also one of the facilities guys. And we're here, this is the second store we're going to be doing here with this cleaner that is unbelievable. It cuts the grease, the evaporator section, I cannot believe how it just takes all the grease and grime that was on the evaporators that we have here at Waffle House, and our condensers for that matter. We had a situation with one of our exhausts that was leaking grease. They went ahead and sprayed this chemical, if I may use chemical, onto the grease on the plenum, and it just ate it away. Unbelievable. This works for our business, Waffle House.
What he said.
And the ceramic coating that helps with the splits of the AC units is unbelievable. We checked one of our stores, 315 to be exact, and I measured it at 42, which is unheard of, but just an outrageous product. I hope we have a long future together.
To learn more about Simix ceramic coatings that save you time and money, call me or visit DGE-Simix. That's DGE-SIMIX.com.